You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ribbon cutting and the blessing of the ABD land and AFDC new building here in Pililla, Rizal.
paradise they couldn't capture that bright infinity inside you.
We will start at our prayer for blessing. Maybe permitted by your assistant in this office so that the liberation here may find definite decisions.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today is the blessing of our new office. So if you were here last year, we were just renting a small space, also here in Pililla. But this year, we were able to transfer to a bigger and newer office. So, di po kami magsamang pasalamat sa lahat po ng mga tumulong sa amin para ma-achieve yung ganito kalaking office. And sana po patuloy pa rin po yung pagsuporta niyo po sa amin. So, thank you again everyone for your work, dedication, and effort. And I hope that you will enjoy the things that we prepared for you today. So, please have fun, everyone. So tonight is about appreciating everyone's hard work and their effort in making this company successful.
Yeah. Just right. We don't need a plan, no reason why. Let's just let the moment fly. Yeah, your touch feels like Sunday morning, soft and slow, out of warning. Every breath I fall in love with.
Awarded this 8th of December 2025 AFDC grounds here in Pililla, Rizal. Signed, Ferdinand Aquino, the President CEO.
Napaka-generous ninyong mag-appreciate. Yun lang ang alam kong ginawa ko, pero thank you. Maraming salamat.
Isa sa pinagmamalaki ko pong dinesign at na-construct yung kanilang pong opisina. Kaya I'm very proud of this project po. And because of that, sir and ma'am, Hindi ko po sisirahin ang tiwala niyo sa akin. Thank you very much po.
So, maraming bagay na nangyari po, pero never po silang nabigo na magtiwala po uli. So, ma'am, sir, thank you po sa lahat. Lalo na sa opportunity na binigay niyo.
Say goodbye. Your love's a rhythm I can't fight, so baby, let's stay tonight.
Happy 4th anniversary, ma'am. Sa inyo pong napakatotoo po nilang kausap. Napakabuti, napakabait. God bless you, ma'am.
Get lost together in the glow of this perfect night. Let's stay tonight, don't turn away. Let the moonlight guide our way. Your kiss is all that feels right.
Ayan, so again po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong nyo. So, I hope that this building will be blessed, full of more achievements, and sana po is patuloy pa rin po yung pagtutulungan natin. Thank you po.